front of a 2021 ZL1 1LE. These cars, there's not too many of them on the road, and eventually, I think this is the last year. 2023 is going to be the last year, so you got to pick these up. These got the muscle, the V8 supercharged power. What we're going to do is we're going to do a track setup. We're going to drop the coils, turn them 180. You can turn this 180, and you get that negative camber for track. Also, you can also adjust the height. The customer wants to lower it a little bit more. Sometimes camber or toe won't come into specs, so when you hit a curb, you think for the eye it's not visible that any damage is done, but these are aluminum parts. Suspension parts are so lightweight, they're easy to bend, so sometimes your eye can't see if this is bent. And we compare with the other one, it's going to be a little bit off right here, so your camber won't come into specs. This too, it's very easy to bend. This is your hub, so when you hit a curb, sometimes you can't see it, but you'll bend this part, so then you would have to replace it, maybe to get the car back into alignment specs. Right now we're going to take the wheels off. We're going to turn the top hat of the strut 180 to get the extra negative camber, and we're going to adjust it to track specs because these cars are designed with 3 different specs. This is going to be a track setup, so it'll be right around negative 2.7. We got the hats turned on the struts. We got the 2.7 the customer requested for the camber setup. 2.7 in the front, 2.0 in the back. If it was 2.6, 2.3, don't like it. I gotta get it 2.7 left, 2.7 right. And once we dial in the toe, then we're gonna take it out for a test drive.